You know that feeling when you're stuck in the same patterns over and over again? Maybe you keep procrastinating on important projects, or you find yourself reaching for your phone every 5 minutes, or you just can't seem to break out of negative thinking loops no matter how hard you try. You tell yourself you'll change tomorrow, but tomorrow comes and you're doing the exact same thing. It feels like your brain is hardwired a certain way and there's nothing you can do about it. I get it, and honestly, most people feel trapped by their own habits and thought patterns at some point. Here's the good news though. Your brain isn't actually fixed or hardwired at all. There's this incredible thing called neuroplasticity, which basically means your brain is like clay that never fully hardens. Every time you think a thought, take an action, or practice a new skill, you're literally creating new neural pathways in your brain. Think of it like walking through a forest. The first time you walk, a new path. It's hard because you're pushing through bushes and branches. But if you walk that same path every day for a month, eventually you'll create a clear trail that's easy to follow. Your brain works the same way. The behaviors and thoughts you repeat become the well-worn paths, the automatic highways your brain defaults to. The exciting part is that you can build new highways anytime you want. So here's what you can do starting today. Pick one specific habit or thought pattern you want to change and commit to practicing the new version for just 30 days. The key is consistency, not perfection. If you want to stop procrastinating, set a timer for 10 minutes every morning and work on your most important task the moment you sit down. If you want to think more positively, spend 2 minutes each night writing down 3 things that went well that day. The specific action matters less than the daily repetition. Your brain needs that repetition to start paving the new pathway. And here's the thing. The first week will feel clunky and unnatural because you're literally forging new connections in your brain. But by week 3, something shifts. The new behavior starts feeling easier, almost automatic. By day 30, you've built a genuine new neural pathway that your brain can access without as much effort. Remember, you're not stuck with the brain you have right now. Every single day is a chance to open a new tab in your mind and start building the patterns that serve you. That's what Your Brain Tabs is all about, helping you understand that you have more control than you think.